बिना दिल के पैदा हुए थे क्या यार? तुम कर क्या रहे थे अभी तक? You look 45.
Joining us right now is Mahima Chaudhary. Mahima, it's such an incredible day. India's just won. And of course, it's IFA celebrating 25
25 years.
How does it feel?
Feels nice because when they started 25 years back, I was there at the Millennium Dome in London, and I performed there. And also, I have hosted IFA Awards before with Rahul Khanna. So yeah, it's great to be here. They've done it all across the world, and now it's in Rajasthan, beautiful city.
Yes.
I love Rajasthan, and I'm happy that it's in India.
Right.
And 25 years is
Yes.
calls for celebration,
And
and that's why I'm here.
You just talked about, incredible city, Rajasthan. I mean, Rajasthan, has everything to offer. Your first visit to Rajasthan, you remember?
My first visit was when I was in school. I had come with my cousins, and we had gone all over these bade palaces, and the monkey had run after us and took our sunglasses. And
that happened, yeah?
So we really enjoyed all that, and we went and saw the museums, and it was that kind of a trip.
Right. And with your daughter, when are you planning to get her to Rajasthan? Has that already happened?
Oh,
Yeah,
she
matlab
has.
kuch- yeah.
When she was, I think, 4 years old, she came and she took the camel ride and all of that. Yeah. Yeah.
And with daughter, I mean, there's such interesting videos, that we get to see. Are you all ready? Do you have a plan in mind for her to sort of join the showbiz
No, not
industry?
yet. She's
Is
in
that-
school,
Yeah,
so
she's
I
in
want her
school.
to
I
finish
know,
that
yes.
first, and then then
But-
we'll definitely think about it.
And also about the striking resemblance. She's like your mini me version.
I like to think that
Yeah.
every parent thinks like the child should look like me.
yeah. But कुछ आपने मतलब उनके लिए do's and don'ts रखे हैं? Are you a strict
नहीं,
mother?
I think वो अपने लिए ही कुछ ज़्यादा do's and don'ts रखती है. She follows very strict rules, and she has a sleep pattern, and she's very disciplined.
Right.
Yeah, so she's a very strong-headed girl.
Right. And at IFA, we had Madhuri and Guneet Monga talking about the pay parity and also ageism. These are the two very strong issues that women really need to address. Have you ever felt that pay parity is an issue that really needs solution? I mean, look, actresses are working as hard as actors, but pay parity definitely exists.
In that way, I've heard a lot of arguments. I've heard the debate on both sides. Is whoever brings more ticket value to the theaters should get more money, and sometimes it is the male actor. Especially when you go to the cinema halls because of the economic power in the hands of men.
True.
But I think on television, because the women are stay homes a lot more than men, television, you always see women have the greater powerful roles, and it's more women driven. And that's why I think on OTT as well it'll work, because women can see it on their phones and men can see it on their phones. But in cinemas, yes, you can have a difference in pricing, I guess, because of the theater, like I said, how many people get them there.
True,
But in terms of television, it's always been, all over the world, it's been a very, very women-driven stories because women are excessively watching it.
Exactly. And my last question, we all only see a 50-year-old man romancing a 20-year-old actress.
Yeah, but it's
do
sort
you
of
think
looks
that the reverse is
now.
happening now?
When it was happening in the earlier era, it looked not so bad, and then not so bad, and now it just looks really bad, and now I think it's coming to an end.
Right, it is coming.
It is. And earlier you saw a lot of older men marrying 20-year-olds, but just generally now you see, no matter how rich the man is, he's looking for someone like not with that age difference,
Yes,
isn't it? Like where it is so obvious that they could have no connection at all in terms of compatibility.
So this is real life. I was talking about the real life, the on-screen pairs.
I think
50-year-old.
it's coming.
It's coming
Yeah,
down?
because it's less acceptable now.
Exactly.
It's just less acceptable. It just looks not so good.
Right. Thank you.
Unless it is about an age difference in
Exactly,
the couple.
in the couple, which the storyline.
A 40-year-old man saying पहली बार मुझे प्यार हुआ. I was like, what were you doing 40 years? मतलब बिना दिल के पैदा हुए थे क्या? Without any
कोई ऐसी
chemistry.
movie याद है जब आपने देखी
Of
थी
course,
ऐसी?
I don't
कौन
want to
सी?
name it.
Okay.
But one of the lead actors said to a young girl, and he was looking very mature in the film, and he says, पहली बार मुझे प्यार हुआ है. And I was like, यार तुम कर क्या रहे थे अभी तक? यू लुक 45, ऑफिसर हो.
तब भी बेचारे को प्यार नहीं मिला. But thank you so much. That was an interesting anecdote that you just shared. Thank you
Yeah.
so much for joining us.